Today we're going to go over the 3 mistakes most wholesalers make. And as a wholesaler, you cannot afford to make these mistakes. The first mistake is they don't get the property under contract. May not sound like a big deal to you. You might say, oh yeah, I'll sell it to Susie and Susie will give me a referral fee. That's illegal. You can go to jail, get fined, etc. because you're probably not a realtor. So when you have a wholesale deal, it's extremely important to get it under contract with a signability clause in the contract so that you can assign it to somebody. The next big mistake is doing your numbers wrong. Most people do not know how to do numbers. If you underestimate the rehab or the retail value, there's no way you're going to sell it because the numbers are not going to work. And somebody with money usually knows how to do numbers, and they're going to catch it right away, and you're not going to sell it. They don't know how to do numbers, and you sell it to somebody, now you got a potential of a lawsuit or having a reputation that you're putting bad deals together. So you always want to make sure that your numbers work and work well. The third mistake is not having people to sell it to. One of the things you want to do, you want to have a mailing list again, or an email list. You want to have a network that you go to on a regular basis. These are keys. You get the best deal in the world. If you can't convey it to people, there's no way you're going to be able to sell it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to this channel now. We will be giving great content on a regular basis. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment. Have a great day.